Hey drone nerds, Andrew here. Are you looking to fly drones commercially? You'll need a remote pilot certificate to comply with the FAA's small UAS rule, commonly known as Part 107. Let's talk about what Part 107 is and how you can get certified. Before we begin, click the subscribe button and like the video. It really helps. On June 21st, 2016, the FAA finalized the first set of rules regarding the routine commercial use of UAS, or unmanned aircraft systems, with the goal of safely integrating them into the nation's airspace. Therefore, commercial drone pilots must operate like anyone else in our skies, subject to regulations, operating requirements, and procedures to keep the airspace safe for everyone. This reduced a significant barrier of entry into drone technology for organizations, as they no longer needed to hire full-fledged pilots, but could now train current team members or hire drone pilots. The FAA's Part 107 exam covers topics related to the safe commercial operation of small unmanned aircraft systems or drones. This includes regulations and guidelines for airspace, weather impact on flights, loading and performance considerations, emergency procedures, crew resource management, navigation techniques, airport operations awareness, radio communication, effects of drugs and alcohol, decision-making skills, and maintenance basics. There are plenty of study guides, YouTube videos, and courses that you can take to study for the exam. It's 60 questions and you need at least a 70% to pass. After studying and before scheduling your exam, you'll need to create an IACRA, or Integrated Airman Certification and Rating Application, to obtain your FAA tracking number. Then you'll need to create an account with PSI Exams, find your nearest testing location, and schedule your exam. You'll find links for everything in the description below. On the day of your exam, get to your testing center early, 15-20 minutes at least. Bring your government-issued photo ID with you and make sure the address is up to date. If it isn't, bring a current utility bill or something of that ilk with your name and updated address on it. If you have your phone, wallet, and other things on you when you come to take the exam, they'll probably be stored separately so you don't take anything into the exam room with you. Now, typically, you'll get your exam results right away. If you don't pass, don't fret. You can retake the exam after 2 weeks. If you do pass, wait 1 or 2 days, then log back into the IACRA website and complete FAA Form 8710-13 for a remote pilot certification. Once you have your Part 107 certification, you can legally operate drones for commercial purposes, offering services such as aerial photography, inspections, mapping, and more, while receiving compensation, all while establishing a credible reputation, potential access to insurance coverage, and the chance to tap into various industries that require skilled and regulated drone services. When you're ready to start flying professionally, we at Drone Nerds are ready to set you up with the drone of your dreams, so you can hit the skies flying and build your own drone business. I will also have a link for that in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.